There is an enormous biodiversity of fungal systems and associations within this ecosphere. And it's that biodiversity that gives sustainability to the ecosystem. The mushroom mycelium represents rebirth, regeneration, rejuvenation. The task that we face today is to understand the language of nature. And so hopefully the spirit of goodness will survive.
So, Alara.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me. This is a very special place. We met 4 years ago, just up here in the forest. I've actually invited you here to tell your story about when I was travelling free solo around Australia in 2015. There I spent 6 months in a hippie surfer town called Byron Bay, and I met a guy there called Cockatoo Paul. He used to walk around with a cockatoo on his shoulder, and this man, it was fascinating. He used to take us out on nature walks. Bear in mind, he was born and raised in the heart of the outback, amongst the sand and the spiders. He used to walk us around and show us into the darkest holes of the underground of nature, into the secret life of the spiders hidden in the shadows, and pointing at the stars, saying, "There's Venus, currently moving her way through Gemini. In 30 days' time, she'll be in Cancer." This man is deeply connected to the world around him, and I guess it runs in his lineage through his ancestors, but I feel over here in England, in the West, we somewhere along the line have lost touch with our connection to nature, the spirit world. To a lot of people that's just hocus pocus, right? And there was a film made a few years ago called Fantastic Fungi, in which Paul Stamets said a beautiful line that I'll never forget. He said, "We have the intelligence of nature underneath our feet." Think about that. We have the intelligence of nature underneath our feet. So, come with me, I'll show you something, for example. If we take, come close, I want you to see this. A single leaf. We walk past leaves every day of our life. Hold your hands out. When was the last time you stopped to consider the fact that in a few months' time this leaf will grow back? This plant will regenerate. It will reincarnate that which has died. So hold it flat in your hands like this.
Right.
AM. That stands for Alara Maher.
It's my initial.
That's your initials. Hold on to it and follow me. Watch out for the vines and make sure the ink's dry.
Yeah.
Yeah? Now take it. So if I place it like this on another stem, right? It kind of looks like,
Belong to it.
yeah,
Yeah.
you could imagine that, right?
Uh-huh.
Can you imagine this is part of that tree?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, come around a little bit.
Uh-huh.
All you gotta do is right there. You gotta be very gentle.
What? No way! What? That's actually crazy. How did you do that? Wow! What? This is amazing. Wow. That is a magic. Wow. I'm very impressed now. This is a real magic show. Wow. Can I see your hand?
I keep my sleeves up on purpose.
The biosphere in which we live is one giant consciousness. And we are a small portion of that.
It's amazing how you did that. Wow.
These are extended neurological friends.
I can't even understand how you did that. It just...
You see, you're going to come back here, and you can show this to people, and you can tell them this story, and they might not believe you at first. But the good news is, you have proof of the existence of a moment in time that is unexplainable as all of this around us.
Regeneration, rejuvenation.
A reminder that